I think I made a friend last night. Oh, did you sleep well? I had my own guard dog, but he woke me up pretty early. That's okay. He's a nice guy. Just as I got my tent set up at the site, taking all my bags off, the security came over and told me I had to leave. So I tried to tell him, no, I have too much stuff, it'll take too long, it's gonna be dark. He didn't care, he said go now. But he showed me another place to sleep across the street. So I'll show you guys this place tomorrow.
Sorry to ring you short.
It's okay, man. No worries. I'm next in line. How much longer do you think you're gonna be? This seems to happen a lot in the countrysides. I'm cycling through and this guy waved to me and told me to come over, and he just left me the keys to his house. And if I need water, there's a well. So basically, some pretty fresh water. Just drop it down. And you just knock out the little bugs on top. And you got some pretty good drinking water. And this is how I'm gonna shower later. I guess today I have horses.
%. Let's find out. Oh man. Video or photo? Luckily I was given a bunch of bread, so I'll use it to feed these little guys. Come here, guys. Here you go. Easy. Come here, there's bread for everyone. You get to why do you guys want to eat the bag or what? Here, eat the bread. Hey, excuse me. Tell me how to get to Tbilisi. Well, I didn't know it was gonna rain today, but it's better biking in the rain than in the heat. Yesterday it rained from about 4 until about 10 p.m. So I found a shelter around 8:30 and I saw a guy walking and I stopped and asked if he knew of any campsites. And he brought me up to this place. It worked out perfectly for me. It was shelter. Yeah, I couldn't ask for anything more. For me, this is like a perfect camp spot. He doesn't live here. This is his place he's building. So he just left me the key. And he said just leave it at the door when you leave. And there you go. This is my camp spot. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, it's good.
Tell me something.
I do?
Tell me. Oh, meet you.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
现在给你做。
That's okay.
ran into a problem. The road ends here, so I gotta go all the way back. Just straight down. The road was supposed to go from here and connect over there. This is the main road on the map, so I guess I gotta go back about an hour and then catch the road again. Got myself a baby golden retriever. One of my favorite parts about bike touring is seeing what food I'm gonna find along the way. And today I've come across a cherry tree. And these cherries are delicious. This is a real traffic jam. Hello? gonna play one of my favorite games. What's inside of Andy's shoes in the morning? Today wasn't too bad, just a few cockroaches. Don't worry, you shake them out and they come out. There's no problem. Sometimes this is all it takes.